Good morning and welcome to Money Monday. We are coming from a unique location as we are attending a Farm Owners Academy workshop on the Sunshine Coast this week to learn lots of tips, tricks and tools to help our clients. Today I wanted to flag with you a conversation I had on Friday with one of the major banks. So one of the major banks called me on Friday about a deal I'd recently proposed to them. It was a refinance, it was an agribusiness deal, around 80% equity. It was pretty strong, did have some red flags on it, and they said to me, we just wanted to let you know that our appetite is changing. And appetite means their willingness, their credit policy is changing, which is a really strong signal to me that we are in for some serious headwinds with credit. So if you're applying for credit, making an application or plan to be in the next 12 to 24 months, you may face some significant headwinds as the bank's appetites are changing. Now, let me say that this was only one bank, but it was one of the major banks that does a lot of agribusiness lending in my location. So their appetite has started to change. So if you're coming up against a bank that's appetite is changing, which is no fault of your own, it's just their credit has decided that perhaps they're overlent in certain industries, or they can see some headwinds for perhaps the beef industry or the cotton industry. If you're coming up against that with your bank, please make contact with us, because we have access to credit policies across all major and non-major banks, whether it's agri or commercial. So what may not fit with your current home as a banker may fit elsewhere. So don't be scared to reach out and say, look, we're getting some pushback on a particular deal, or credit's put in some nasty, payback options or something like that. That's what we're here for. We'd love to talk it through with you to see if you might be able to get a better and easier outcome at a different bank.